My name is Pamela Bourque. I'm the Assistant Chief Counsel for General Law at Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama. I've worked at Marshall for about 20 years, and I do litigation, ethics, fiscal law, and employment litigation. I remember very well calling my parents to tell them that I had been offered a job in the legal office at Marshall, and I just can't explain how proud they were of that. That's really a memory I'll always treasure. I grew up in a small town in Louisiana. Both my parents spoke French as their first language. It's a Cajun town, a little town called Broussard in South Louisiana. My mom was a cashier all of her life, and my dad was a mechanic. Neither of my parents went to college, but my dad was very well read and encouraged me to do well in school. I never wanted to waste any of the opportunities that they provided to me, and I was a good student. It was interesting because not many people in my family went to college, and so that was not really expected of me, except through the eyes of my dad, really. I really didn't know what I wanted to be when I grew up, but I knew I wanted to go to college. I always felt like I was only limited by my own capabilities and desires and willingness to learn. One of the best things about being a lawyer at Marshall is that I have always felt that the goal of management was to do the right thing in the end, not just winning the case or proving the point. And that's not true if you practice law out in the other world where winning is everything. And so here, the idea was that we want to do the right thing. How do we get there from here? And that's been very empowering and a wonderful place to grow up in as an attorney and to try to contribute to. So I'm very proud of that. I have a wonderful husband and two great kids, and I just see positive things for me and my family in this place and working here. I would really like to be remembered as being a good mentor to the attorneys that have come after me in the office, trying to help them learn the way other people helped me when I first came to the office. I guess I'd like to be remembered as a good attorney, somebody who was a good counselor as well as just a technical attorney. I would like to be remembered as someone who made a contribution to the space program and to Marshall. And I really hope that I'm remembered as a great mom and wife by my family. I'm trying to be a good whole person, and I think that that's very possible to do if you take your time and try to pick out the things that are most important and let go of the things that aren't. It's been an incredible journey for me in my NASA career, coming as a fresh out of law school, very young, enthusiastic, and having the opportunity to learn from such wonderful attorneys in the office and managers, and just feeling like I really was encouraged, had opportunities, and have been able to contribute in a positive way to the center and to NASA's mission. I'm very proud, and really I do feel a responsibility to try to help others or mentor them as best I can in the office and beyond, because I think that the only limits out there are really the ones you put in front of you. And if I can reach this point, then really anybody can, if you're willing to work hard and get a great education and just be open to new experiences. It's not really the destination, it's the journey that's important.